day and fade away. Custom dreams I've always had. I'll take it apart.
Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1966 Ford Mustang. This one here has a 289 under the hood. Should be a good running and driving little car, but we'll find out on the test drive. If you haven't already, check out the walk around. There's a walk around video pointing out any kind of flaws inside, out, and underneath of this car. We do our best to represent all of our cars because people come from all over to buy them. We don't want to waste your time or ours either. So make sure you watch both of these videos, see the 100 detailed pictures. If you want financing, it's available at my website. That's maplemotors.com. We do ship these cars all the time, all over. And if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. Every day I'm posting videos like this. You like the music at the beginning? Also, I have another channel called Southgate Production. Be posting music to that. It's all original. I write it. All right, guys. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. All right, guys, gonna look around the interior before we take off. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Interior looks pretty good on this car. Back seat's in good shape. Headliner's not too bad. It's got some little holes and stuff in it above the visors. Most of it looks decent though. Almost worth not changing. Starts up good. It's showing 92,000 miles on the dash. Fuel pressure came up. See, our engine temp is up as well. Wipers work. Radio making noise. Blower motor's working. Good deal. About that horn, you ready? It works. Guys, a lot of these horns are working here lately. Let's take off. All right, guys, get my seatbelt on. We're gonna take off down the road. I'm trying to beat the rain. I know I say that every video, but the day's been crazy with the rain. Let's go. Anything that I see that is wrong with this car, I will let you know in this video. Sorry about all the spots on the windshield and stuff. I've done chamoised it twice today, and of course every time it rains it pulls the pollen out of Tennessee air. Brake slid a little bit on this one. Let's see how she drives here. Speedometer's coming up on the dash. She's going pretty straight down the road, and I tell you what, the steering is nice and tight. Kickdown is not hooked up on this one. Let's see a second. Still pulling pretty strong. Felt a little bit of a slip there. Try it one more time. Slipped a little bit when it was shifting. I'm definitely going to get some gas because my gas gauge is buried on E and I don't know how much is in there. We'll pull up in here to the pump. Throw about $20 worth of fuel in this car and keep on rolling now. Definitely about to pour. Hopefully it'll cool down. The humidity's ridiculous. I'm gonna go ahead and guess that the gas gauge does not work because all I could fit was $11 in this tank. This car is full. Put your gas back here in the dead center. Let me get my receipt. Pretty nice little cap there. This one's definitely been replaced. All right, guys. Like I said, I know the gas gauge is not going to work, so let's keep rolling. It's trying to move, actually. Just barely. But it's full. She's running good. This thing's a little peppy. I know I said 289 right off the bat. It feels stronger, but it's hard to prove if it's a 302 or not. I know the lower pulley has 3 bolts in it on this one, so I went ahead and figured a 289 because I have heard 4 bolts means 302. Definitely drives good. It feels good going down the road. And it looks like majority of our gauges are working other than the gas gauge. Suspension feels pretty smooth. Got a few cosmetic problems. You can see that in both of the videos, the walk around and this test drive. We're going to turn on this road here. It's got a moderate sized speed bump in the middle, and listen for rattles, shakes, kind of give you an idea on suspension. The best I can through a video. It's right here. Not really any rattles, squeaks, and it took it pretty well. Looks like we lucked out on the rain. I still got one more Mustang to hit up today, so hopefully I'm going to go ahead and try to do it. All right, guys, we're gonna pull in the lot here and conclude this video. Appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again. All right, guys, just got back here. Test drive was pretty good, I thought. Check out maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures, financing information, and shipping. We ship these cars all over the nation. We do these videos so you know what you're buying before you come down here. We don't want you to get here and say, oh, that's not what you represented, because we've got 2 videos, 100 detailed pictures, and you can call us anytime. 615-822-4444. We'll do our best to help you out. If you hit that subscribe button, you'll be able to see videos that I post like this almost every day. I do my best to get those out there to you, as long as we can avoid the weather. And if you like the music at the beginning, follow Southgate Production. It's another little page I got, top right hand corner. click that and head on over. All right, guys, thank y'all for watching. Have a good one.